Alright guys, what's up? Just got back from Vegas. Man, it's cold here in Colorado. But got a package from RickRak. We've got two things we're going to put on the bike. Just quick little reviews on them. First thing, little holster. It's going to go on my right saddlebag. Got a Glock 19X that we run in that. And then also the GoPro attachment. So we'll get these installed real quick. See how they work, see how useful they are. Easy, obviously. This should be pretty simple. I'll kind of go from there. Alright, so we'll go ahead and do the holster first. Now it did come with some hardware. Don't think we'll be needing that. We're just going to use the saddlebag bolt. Alright, so we went ahead and got that in. Again, just use that factory saddlebag bolt. Worked real well. Glock fits in. Easy access. Let's go ahead and move on to the GoPro mount, which I think I'm going to put on the front windshield. Now for the GoPro 360 Road Glide Fairing mount. See, it comes with a couple different attachments. Instructions. The tools, straps, that kind of stuff. I think we're going to go ahead and we're going to mount that either on one of these two spots. We'll see kind of what might fit the best. Go from there. Alright, so I think I'm going to go ahead and just put it right here. So we'll start by pulling this off. And they send a couple different sizes, so I'm going to go ahead and just match it up to one that's a little bit longer. We'll try going with that one. Alright, so we'll just go ahead, get that threaded in, get it snugged down a little bit. Alright, now that bottomed out, we don't have much room. So we're going to use the second smallest size. There's a little bit more room there. All right. And I will tell you guys, these connectors are all real good. They're not that cheap plastic stuff that you're used to using. Can't tell if they're a super thick plastic or a little alloy or something. Alright, so here's what we came up with. And use just the standard mount that goes into the fairing screw and the 360 mount. So that's what we got. Again, good quality pieces. RickRak as always. Got good stuff. Then as well as that holster. Thank you guys.